Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're on the hunt for a luxurious mask that promises to turn back time while delivering real, visible results, then you're in the right place. Let's dive into the Natura Bissé Essential Shock Intense Mask, a high-end beauty product designed to rejuvenate and restore your skin, no matter your skin type. This revitalizing anti-aging face mask boasts a range of benefits, from deep hydration to antioxidant protection. Packed with a pineapple scent that adds a refreshing touch, this mask promises to give your skin a radiant glow while addressing multiple signs of aging. It's formulated to hydrate, restore, and rejuvenate, making it a top contender for anyone looking for that spa-like experience at home. Now let's talk about how this mask works. It's designed to be a rich, creamy treatment that you apply to your face and let sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. During this time, it works its magic, deeply nourishing your skin with high-performance ingredients. You'll notice that it's not just about hydration. It's also about giving your skin that lifted, revitalized feeling that we all crave, especially as the years go by. So how does it feel when you use it? Well, the texture of the mask is thick yet smooth, making it easy to apply evenly over the skin. You'll notice the subtle, refreshing pineapple fragrance as you massage it in, creating a calming experience. After rinsing it off, your skin feels plumped and visibly rejuvenated. It's not just about a temporary glow. This mask helps to maintain that hydrated, refreshed look long after you've washed it away. In terms of strengths, this mask delivers on its promise to hydrate and restore. The scent is subtle but uplifting, and you can really feel the skin's texture improving after use. It's the perfect choice for anyone looking to address the visible effects of aging or simply give their skin a little extra TLC. On the flip side, one downside is the price. At a premium cost, this mask might not be within everyone's budget. However, if you're someone who invests in skincare and you're looking for a luxurious product that genuinely delivers anti-aging results, it's definitely worth considering. When we talk about value for money, the Natura Bissé Essential Shock Intense Mask is certainly up there in terms of quality. The luxurious ingredients and the immediate effect it has on your skin justify its higher price point for those willing to invest in quality skincare. But if you're looking for a more affordable option, there are alternatives on the market that can offer similar hydration and revitalization. I've used a variety of masks throughout my beauty routine, but I have to say, this one stands out. When it comes to performance, I've noticed visible improvements after just a few uses. My skin looks firmer and feels deeply moisturized, almost like I've had a facial treatment. The mask is perfect for those with all skin types. Whether you have dry, oily, or combination skin, it's gentle yet effective. If you're wondering about alternatives, there are other anti-aging masks out there, but few offer the combination of hydrating, rejuvenating, and antioxidant benefits that Natura Bissé's mask does. Some budget-friendly options like the Origins Drink Up Intensive Mask provide great hydration, though they don't carry the same anti-aging claims. As for the build quality, Natura Bissé has always been known for its luxurious packaging, and this mask is no exception. The jar is sturdy and feels like a high-end product, making it perfect for those who love to treat themselves. I haven't noticed any issues with the longevity of the product either. A little goes a long way, so even though it's small, it'll last a while. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. As for customer support, Natura Bissé has a strong reputation for being responsive and attentive to customer inquiries, which is a big plus when considering a high-end product like this. When it comes down to the final verdict, I have to say that the Natura Bissé Essential Shock Intense Mask is a top-tier product, delivering visible results that make your skin look and feel rejuvenated. If you're willing to invest in your skin and are looking for a luxurious anti-aging mask that offers real benefits, this product won't disappoint. Thank you for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.